this video, we are going to see that how to install any plugin in Visual Studio Code. So in the web development, there are several extensions which are used widely for beautification of the code or to simplify the web development. So in order to navigate, you just have to click on the view menu and then click on the extension. After that, search for the Prettier option and click on this code formatter and just click on install. So by this way, you can directly install this Prettier extension. After this, you have to do, there is one more extension which is live server. Just search the live server here and click on this and just click on install here. I have already installed. So main use of live server. So whatever changes you are making in the code, so in order to make the changes on the web, you don't have to refresh your website. It is directly going to reflect on the site. Okay, so you can see here they are making changes here, and after changes are done, it is automatically reflected on the site. You don't have to manually go there and refresh the browser or reload the page. After that, there is one more thing that is known as the color picker from the Chrome. You can add this in your Chrome browser directly. If you want to like pick any part of the color, like if there is this remove from Chrome having the bluish color, if I want to use this color, I will just go on this extension, click on that, then I can get the code, and that code I can use in my programming languages. So in this way, and you can install the extension or the plugin, and these are the most important plugin for the web development. If you have any doubt or query, you can just reach out by comment section. Thank you.